Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Surfn icon theme. So to start off, what you're going to want to do is check out my link to this article in the description of this video, install git, and then use the command to download the code and move into the folder with the cd command. Once you get there, you can scroll down to the install section. Now there are two different ways to install. You can use the script if you are so inclined, but I warn you that if you run the script, you won't be able to get it accessible to every single user. So only do this one if you're sure that you're the only person who wants to use it. I highly recommend going with the system-wide instructions just because that's my preference, even if I'm the only user using it. Sometimes it just works better this way, but both options are there. To get it installed, you can get a root terminal with sudo s or su and your password. From there you can cd into Surfn and then cd into the Surfn icons folder, and we see all of these different files, and then we can move everything to user share icons. Now there's nothing there anymore. We can open up our Tweak app by going here, and now I'm going to set this icon theme on my default desktop, which is the GNOME desktop, but it's going to be different for each desktop environment. But if you're confused or you don't know how that works, you can go to my article here, and the information for every single desktop is right there. So go to the Tweak app here, go to extensions, or go to appearance. That'd be weird if you could enable icons in the extension area, but click on appearance and then look for the icon theme, and then you have your choice of different Surfn icons. So I'm going to pick the traditional one here, and we've got our icon theme working, and that's how you get Surfn working. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will check you in the next one.